liking in so many stores is in the stocking. How did Santa know that you liked that so much?
I don't know. Maybe I can take it out right now.
Maybe you can.
I'm gonna go take it out. What? Look.
There it is. There's that funny fan toy. Cool. And look what this says. This says, thanks a lot, Santa. Left you a note. And are there presents under the tree?
When you touch your finger to this where it's going, it doesn't even hurt.
No,
Watch.
it's a rubber fan. That doesn't even hurt.
Dad, touch your finger to this when it's going.
Right.
See, it doesn't even hurt.
Great. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.